Did you know that poor diet is linked to nearly 700,000 deaths each year in the United States alone? This alarming statistic underscores the critical importance of our daily food choices and their direct impact on our overall health. That's a staggering number, and it highlights the profound impact our food choices have on our health and well-being. The foods we consume can either fuel our bodies with essential nutrients or burden them with harmful substances. We often underestimate the power of what we put on our plates, but the truth is, food can either be our greatest ally or our worst enemy when it comes to our health. Every meal is an opportunity to nourish our bodies or to contribute to long-term health issues. The good news is that we have a great deal of control over this equation. By making informed choices, we can steer our health in a positive direction. It's about understanding the profound connection between diet and health. By adopting healthy food habits, we can significantly reduce our risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and even certain types of cancer. These diseases are often preventable with the right dietary choices. It's not about deprivation or following restrictive diets. It's about making sustainable changes that nourish our bodies and minds. Small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in our health over time. In the following sections, we'll delve into the concept of good food habits, explore the challenges we face in maintaining them, and discover practical strategies to transform our relationship with food. We'll look at how to make healthier choices more accessible and enjoyable. It's time to take charge of our health, one bite at a time. By embracing a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins, we can pave the way for a healthier future. Let's embark on this journey together, making each meal a step towards better health and well-being. Good food habits are not about perfection. They are about making conscious choices that prioritize our health over time. It's a journey, not a destination, and every small step counts. It's about finding a sustainable balance that works for our individual needs and preferences. This means listening to our bodies and understanding what makes us feel our best. This might involve incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into our diets. These foods are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber that support overall health, while reducing our intake of processed foods, sugary drinks, and unhealthy fats. Making these changes can help us feel more energized and less sluggish throughout the day. The benefits of adopting good food habits extend far beyond weight management. They can improve our mental clarity, emotional stability, and even our social interactions. When we nourish our bodies with nutrient-rich foods, we provide them with the building blocks they need to function optimally. This means better digestion, stronger muscles, and healthier skin. This translates to improved energy levels, enhanced mood, better sleep, sharper cognitive function, and a stronger immune system. All these factors contribute to a higher quality of life. Good food habits are an investment in our long-term health and happiness. They help us build a foundation for a life filled with vitality and joy. They empower us to live our lives to the fullest with vitality and well-being. By making mindful choices, we can enjoy the benefits of a healthier lifestyle every day. Let's explore some of the common hurdles we may encounter on our journey to healthier eating. Understanding these challenges can help us overcome them and stay on track. In today's fast-paced world, maintaining healthy eating habits can feel like an uphill battle. The demands of modern life often leave us with little time to focus on what we eat, and the convenience of unhealthy options can be hard to resist. We are constantly bombarded with temptations from fast food chains, convenience stores, and alluring advertisements. These ads are designed to catch our attention and make us crave foods that are often not good for our health. Our busy schedules often leave us feeling pressed for time, making it all too easy to reach for quick and processed meals that lack nutritional value. These meals may save time, but they can take a toll on our health in the long run. One of the biggest challenges is the pervasiveness of fast food culture. It's not just about the food itself, but the convenience and speed that make it so appealing. Fast food restaurants are seemingly everywhere, offering cheap, convenient, and highly palatable options that are often high in calories, unhealthy fats, sugar, and sodium. These options are designed to be irresistible, making it difficult to choose healthier alternatives. These foods can be highly addictive, making it challenging to break free from their allure. The combination of sugar, fat, and salt can create a cycle of craving and consumption that is hard to break. However, it's important to remember that we are not powerless in the face of these challenges. With determination and the right strategies, we can make healthier choices. By implementing practical strategies and making conscious choices, we can regain control of our eating habits and prioritize our health. This might include meal prepping, choosing fresh produce, and cooking at home more often. Small changes can lead to big improvements in our overall well-being.